Imagine going to the doctor, not to get healed, but to experience something even more painful than the disease itself. Before modern medicine, doctors didn't always help. Sometimes they made things much worse. Today we're looking at the most painful medical treatments in history, and trust me, you're going to be very glad you live in modern times. First, we go to medieval Europe. Doctors believed that illness was caused by bad blood, so their solution, remove it. A lot of it. They would cut open a vein and let the blood flow out, sometimes using knives, sometimes using leeches. Lots of leeches. People would sit there watching their own blood drain out, hoping it would cure them. Sometimes it worked, but many times it just made them weaker or worse. Next, things get even stranger. This treatment was called trepanation, and yes, it involved the skull. Doctors would literally drill a hole into a person's head. No modern anesthesia, no proper tools, just basic instruments and hope. They believed this would release evil spirits or pressure in the brain. Some patients survived, which is honestly shocking. Now we move to a treatment that sounds more like poison, because it was. In the past, doctors used mercury as medicine. Yes, the same toxic metal. It was commonly used to treat diseases. Patients would rub it on their skin or even ingest it. At first it seemed to help, but over time, it caused severe damage, hair loss, tooth loss, and serious illness. The cure was sometimes worse than the disease. Now imagine having a toothache and going to a dentist hundreds of years ago. No anesthesia, no pain relief, just force. The dentist would grab the tooth and pull hard, sometimes with pliers, sometimes with bare hands. Patients had to be held down while the tooth was removed. No numbing, just pain. Finally, when we look at one of the most extreme treatments, cauterization. Doctors used red-hot metal to burn wounds. Why? To stop bleeding and prevent infection. But imagine the pain of having burning metal pressed against your skin. No anesthesia, just heat and survival. So next time you visit a doctor and they give you medicine or a simple injection, just remember, at least they're not drilling into your skull or pulling your teeth without anesthesia. Medicine has come a long way, and honestly, we're very lucky to live today.